name is George Labonte from Big Bike Parts. We are a manufacturer located in the United States, developing aftermarket motorcycle accessories for primarily the Honda Goldwing and the Harley Davidson, Indian, the Victory, and the Can-Am market. We do mostly direct-to-dealer sales. We're a vendor for Amazon, so we kind of have some e-commerce background, but we kind of steer away from the retail end of the e-commerce side. We do e-tailing on our own website, and we have an eBay seller account and an Amazon seller account just to make sure we have a presence on those platforms and that people that do use those platforms are getting taken care of. But since it's not our primary focus, we've had some growing pains in having hundreds of orders come over on the weekend, and so that was kind of the main problem we had and why we decided to start looking for someone that would integrate with the computer systems that we were using back at the time. We stumbled across APPSeCONNECT in about 2015, and at that time we were looking for someone to help us with our eBay orders and try to keep up with our eBay inventory listing. If we set, say, quantity of 5 or 10 to make sure we didn't sell out of something, once we did sell out on eBay, it would delist it. We'd have to go back on there, relisted on eBay. So it was kind of an administrative nightmare with not having a dedicated individual to that task. So our options were kind of find a software solution or hire someone that's just going to manage all of these retail orders, and it seemed kind of a waste to go down the route of hiring and training someone to do data entry for us. We decided to start Googling, and APPSeCONNECT came up on our searches. They integrated with Microsoft Dynamics NAV, which we've been using for about 17 years now. So it was absolutely imperative that they integrate with NAV, Navision. So we contacted them, set up a demo back in 2015. We were impressed with how easy their solution was and how it solved our two major problems. One being we needed something that would sync our inventory so we weren't manually updating thousands of SKUs to eBay. So we were getting the shipment information correct. We were getting, who was buying it and where it was supposed to go and what part they wanted without a human being involved in potentially entering the wrong information or entering something wrong. And we wanted to make sure that the pricing came over right, because sometimes eBay with the fees and PayPal and everything that what our computer says when you type in an order isn't exactly what the pricing might have been charged to the customer on eBay. So making sure those orders came over with all the correct information as it was when the person bought it on eBay, and just kind of removing that human error element. Through the demo, it was a great presentation, everything worked, so we went forward and started our journey with APPSeCONNECT back in 2015. Since then we've been using it for 4 years now with eBay, and it's been great. We had some growing pains. There's some errors, but they were great to work with. The time difference we thought was going to be a problem, but I know the time there. It's like 6:30, 7:30, 8:30 at night, and I shoot an email and I get a response back in a few minutes. If we need to jump on a chat, we jump on a live chat, a Zoom meeting, whatever it is, and we could talk out the problems we were having, and they'd come back with a solution, a remote in. So there wasn't really any time delay or any downsides or any problems that we ran into working with a company, on the other side of the world from us. It's all been working pretty smooth. Because of that, when we started getting more traffic through our Amazon seller account, we said, hey, getting too many Amazon seller orders, we need a solution. We need to be able to sync our inventory because, again, going through thousands of SKUs, just to make sure we don't tell Amazon, hey, we got 100 of these in stock and we have 0 because we didn't check our inventory recently with you guys. So we needed something that, if we had a dealer or one of our B2B customers decided to clean us out of our inventory, Amazon would know within, a few minutes that happened, and we wouldn't have to have some manual process to check and double check our inventory every single day. Because it's just too many man hours to check all that when a computer can do it 1,000 times faster. So we reached back out to APPSeCONNECT and said, hey, we like how eBay's working. Can you make our Amazon seller account work the same way, integrate with NAV? And they said yes. So we started down the journey again and adding more features from APPSeCONNECT, and we just went live a week or 2 weeks ago, and everything's been going without a hitch. It syncs our inventory, it downloads our Amazon seller customer orders, it pulls all the shipping information, all the product information, the pricing that they paid. If we ran a deal on Amazon Seller Central, all the pricing's taken care of. And then when we finally ship the product, it re-uploads and says, hey, this has been shipped, and gives them the tracking number right to Amazon. That for the most part, we don't even need to log into our Seller Central account anymore. It works that great. We're very happy. We were looking for something that kind of fit our budget. We're a family-owned business, a kind of small to mid-sized company, so when we looked at Navision Solutions and they were quoting us $50,000, $60,000 for EDI, we're like, yeah, we're not ready to pull up, our Seller Central accounts and our eBay accounts. Retail-wise, we're really not doing that huge volume, so expending something that was going to take us years to recoup just wasn't worth it. But with APPSeCONNECT, it's very affordable and it works great. We couldn't ask for a better solution, and it really fits our needs.